Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need both devices on the same Apple ID with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth active. Once done, enable AirPlay and handoff on iPhone and Mac so continuity camera is allowed. Next, unlock the iPhone and place it near your Mac. Make sure it's mounted or held steady so framing is easy. Once you have the mount, open the app you want to use on the Mac. You'll pick the iPhone as the camera source in the app's video settings. Start now so we can confirm connection. On your Mac, open the app and choose the iPhone as the camera source in the app's video preferences or system settings right arrow camera. You'll see the iPhone listed as a device. Once selected, you can switch lenses on the iPhone, wide, ultra-wide, front, and enable features like center stage or desk view for overhead shots. These run on the phone but stream to the Mac. Make sure orientation and lighting are set. Adjust the mount, and confirm audio source so video and sound stay in sync. Once framing and settings are correct, lock the iPhone orientation and confirm autofocus so the image remains steady during your call or recording, then begin. When you're done, switch back to the Mac camera or close the app to terminate the continuity camera session. If it doesn't connect, try the key troubleshooting tip. Toggle AirPlay and handoff off and on, then reboot both devices. If problems persist, plug the iPhone into the Mac with a Lightning/USB cable to force a reliable connection and retry immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.